Alright, so I got the weight bench moved in here yesterday. And so I'm just going to do a couple minutes of curls and stuff on here. Yeah, so it's going straight from the gazelle onto the weight bench is a little bit harder. Usually I'll wait an hour or so before I jump on it. And I'll do different things on and off throughout the day. Different type of leg exercises, arm exercises, and I have a couple 5 and 10 pound free weights I use as well to lift out and build up the strength that way. All right. Anyways, so I did 167 calories on the gazelle, and like I said, I'll get back on the weight in about an hour. But yeah, last night it snowed a bunch. Got about 6 inches out here in front. At least that's how, off the bottom step. It was level with the bottom step going out onto the walkway. So about 6 inches. Oh, a little bit more than what they said. They said 2 to 4 inches last night. So yesterday we didn't get hardly anything during the daytime, and it all came last night. Sun shines out again right now, so we'll see what happens. So, how many of you are doing exercising? How many of you are staying to the end of this to hear me tell you to do some exercising? And how many of you are actually working on planting something for winter? All right. You can go to a Walmart and get a big 7-gallon trash can if you think you need more soil than a 5-gallon bucket to grow tomatoes or something indoors with. All right. There are other containers you can use to grow a lot of food indoors. So stay happy, stay safe, add to your preps, learn a new skill, get more prepped up for this winter.